this is Professor Vandana Bhama from Force School of Management. I'm into the finance and accounting area. On behalf of our finance area, I would say Force School of Management is a great experience for the students who are going to join for this FM program. The first thing about Force School of Management is that it gives a unique opportunity to the student to learn the financial aspects, because they will not only cover the financial aspects, but along with that they will learn the industry practices, where the industry speakers come into the classes. They deliver sessions based on their experience. Along with that, the students get the opportunity to get placed into the live projects. They go for the summer internship program, where they get the experience for 2 months, and they come with their project and with their presentation in the classes, whatever they have learned in those particular 2 months. Now, along with that, I would say the faculty is really good at here, because most of our faculty are from IIT and IIMs. They are the PhDs from there. Along with that, they have a rich academic experience and industrial exposure. Because of this, the delivery of the session is so good that the experience of the students is in such a way that actually helps them to get placed in the companies very fast. Another aspect is that the students get placed in a reputed companies. For example, HDFC Bank. You talk about the other reputed banks. Along with that, the various roles which are offered to the students is investment banking. Then we have financial analyst roles, we have consulting roles, we have banking roles and operations roles for the students, which help them to grow fast in the financial sector. Talking about the collaborations about the International Exchange Program, yes, Force School of Management is in collaboration with Frankfurt School of Economics and Finance, where our students go for 1 week training, and they have global exposure about the financial aspects. The students also get the opportunity to go for the exchange program based on the merit rating. Every year, a few students get selected from this program, and they were sent to abroad. They were sent to Europe, and last year some of our students went to Wing School of Business France, where they spent approximately 3 months, and they had a different experience in learning courses over there. Thank you.